Okay, I want to show my Lego power function control system, which consists of a main model, the ER LED transmitter model, and some set of sensors. This one is the most interesting of the sensors because it fits the Lego Technic AXL, so it can be easily installed to transmitter construction. Additionally, I have more sensors like that, where you can just control the speed of the motor directly, and even the model with the buttons, which work the same as the traditional PF transmitter. And all this is designed to be installed in any kind of transmitter construction. I have designed the construction like this. I took the design from my RC model, and I thought it will be nice to control the Lego models with something like this, and I've made this transmitter construction. My system is able to adapt to any construction of the transmitter. I will show it next. Okay, I will put this together without the construction of transmitter, only my parts, and I connected the ER transmitter, and I will take two sensors, this one for the first channel and the other one from the second. Okay, actually I can connect 4 sensors to the system, and that will allow to independent control of 4 motors. Okay, I turned on the system, and now I can use this sensor to control the motor speed. There are 7 speeds in the ER protocol of Lego power function, so here they are. It's similar to the train control transmitter, but it always returns to 0 position. Okay, and with the servo motor the same. Okay, and now I will install it to my transmitter construction. Okay, I have installed the main model and the transmitter model, and now I will install the sensors. I've made the construction so that here is the steering and here is the throttle. In different constructions, the traveling of the steering, the rotation and of the throttle are not the same, and the system must be adapted for exactly that construction that I use. So I put one here and the other one here. and connect it all together. Okay, now we will turn this on, and what we see, because the traveling is less than the limits of the resistor, the traveling of the servo motor is not the full scale, so I have to teach the main model about the traveling of the sensor in that construction. So I go to the corresponding menu, and I forgot which one. Okay, let's try. And the first channel is the throttle. Okay, one limit and the other limit position. Okay, now the throttle works correct. I have full throttle when I push to the limit here. Okay, and let's go to the steering. The neutral position, one limit position and the other limit position. Okay, now as you can see, the steering servo travel all the way for 90 degrees each way. Of course I can reverse the channel here. Now it goes the other way. Again, it goes the same way with the steering. And if I need, I can limit the servo traveling. For example, in my construction, I don't need traveling more than I set now. Okay. Now, when I fully move the wheel here, the servo traveling is limited. Okay, also I have some additional functions that can be transmitted on the free of usage Lego PF channels, and I will go through them. Okay, the first one is the turn-in signal. I will demonstrate all on this motor. It will work as it can. You can use here lights or a motor. It doesn't matter. Okay, the turn-in signal. First I set the turn-in signal. As you see, it goes on and off. It will look like a turn-in if you put lights here. I can't find my lights. I don't know where they are, so I demonstrate like this. Okay, it was the right turn-in, and now it's the left turn-in signal. It can be combined with parking lights, so like this. There can be a stop signal, so when the throttle is on, it doesn't work, and it works when the throttle is off. It can be combined with parking lights, work a little when throttle is on. Backward signal, like this. Also can be combined with parking lights. And strobe, I think it goes like this. And also you can make copies of throttle or steering if it's necessary, or the copies with inversion. Okay, this is the copy of the throttle. This is the inversion version. Okay, and of the steering. And the inversion. Thank you.